We're about a year and a half after surgery now. The thing that Kathy had a year and a half ago that we addressed was a lot of hollowing of her face. So we did fat grafting, and the fat grafting rounded her face off nicely, but it also has a secondary effect of making the skin better. The fat that we use, that we harvest from other parts of the body, have stem cells, and the stem cells have a regenerative effect on the skin. So patients that have had a lot of sun damage, sun exposure, deep lines and wrinkles, we can achieve nice improvement in the quality and texture of that skin with fat grafting, among other things. So we did do an endoscopic forehead lift. She was very hollow around the eyes, and we put fat around the eyes and then lifted here. And so today what we're going to do is just augment the area. The thing that a forehead lift doesn't address is the strong muscle around the outside of the brow here. It's called the orbicularis muscle. That muscle has a tendency to pull the brow down. It's a squinting muscle, and the muscle that produces crow's feet. So I like patients that have had forehead lifts moving forward to have once or twice a year, for the first year or two, Botox in this muscle here to decrease the downward force that that muscle has on the brow. Her central forehead looks nice and smooth. During the forehead lift, I actually take a laser and I vaporize some of the muscle that does that. So the strength of those medium muscles producing the furrowing is reduced. I still put a little bit of Botox in there. But the goal here today is to inactivate to a degree some of the orbicularis muscle over here, keep the tail of the brow down. And she's got lovely contours of the face and the neck. She had a lot of laxity of the neck. And so overall she's had a very good result. And your experience good?
Yeah, it was great. Your staff and you were super patient and not rushing and very comforting, even though I was nervous at the beginning, but I'm thrilled with the result.
Did you have much in the way of bruising afterwards?
Some, but not a ton.
Yeah.
Not a ton.
I saw your pictures after 1 week, and actually there was almost no bruising after 1 week, so you healed very quickly.
Yes.
Good patient, good healer, and a very healthy patient. Thank you.
Thank you.